ना गिरीश मग
रावा
स्टेट कर स्टेट कर स्टेट
क्या रे तू भाई
यस
कोकणी
इंग्लिश
रावा झालं रे
Madam, your name?
येस
I'm Priyanka, Advocate Priyanka Havanur. I'm associated, one of the daughter of one of the petitioners here in this matter of demolition of kiosks, that is the Deen Dayal kiosks, which were given under a scheme of the government and which were allocated to us by the Goa Handicrafts. We were located outside the GMC premises. This was done with all formalities and complete formalities by the government. Unfortunately, on 26th or 25th, the authorities have arbitrarily and in violations of principles of natural justice demolished the entire stretch, demolished the entire kiosks, maybe illegal, legal, whatever it is. They have acted in total violation of principles of natural justice. Challenging the said order, we have approached the Honorable High Court in a writ petition. This writ petition came up for hearing before the division bench at the appellate court in Bombay, wherein directions have been issued by the Honorable High Court considering the nature, in the manner in which this action was taken by the authorities. The Honorable High Court has taken cognizance of this issue and issued a direction to the respective authorities to indicate or demarcate a place for rehabilitation of these kiosks. And this direction was given to them to do it today itself. And that is why the authorities had come today and they have proposed a plan. They have proposed a place, and this place would be, this proposal would be put forth before the High Court also. So this matter will come up for hearing before the Honorable High Court, and discussions would be held on that.
Demolition of the Deen Dayal garden was illegally had been demolished.
Absolutely. The authorities have totally acted in misuse of power. They ought to have verified what was legal, illegal, what documents are there. To our misfortune, this was not done. In fact, all the documents were placed before them. However, we were totally neglected. Nobody paid heed to this documents which were there in our support.
You have got a notice before demolition of this?
No. To be frank, the demolition, it was not a demolition order. It was an order passed under encroachment. It was an encroachment order wherein directions were given to shift. There was nothing such as demolition. More so, there was no time mentioned. No time limit. And without any time limit, how can you expect a person to shift or move or remove things?
एक ऑलरेडी एक केस आसले न्ही हायकोर्टान पयली तेच्या
ती
पयली
2009 आशिल्ली. तेन्ना अशेंच जाल्लें सिट्युएशन. तेन्ना एकट्याचो उडयलो. देन ऑल्सो मागीर स्टे आशिल्ली. मागीर अगेन रिहॅबिलिटेशन जालें. आनी हो दिसता प्रोसेस गव्हर्मेंट ग्रांटेड घेता ऑन एंड ऑफ. आफ्टर एवरी 7 years 10 years वी हॅव टू फेस दिस सेम इशू अगेन एंड अगेन.
कितलो जागा आसलो तुमचो तो ते टोटल कितले आनी
टोटल 5 किऑस्क आशिल्ले ते.
5 आता तुमकां हांगा न्यू इन्स्पेक्शन करून न्यू दिता
आता प्रपोजल तेणी पुट केला. आता पळोवया
केन्ना नेक्स्ट हियरिंग केन्ना आहा
नेक्स्ट
तुमची
हियरिंग ते आमकां हायकोर्टाच्या हेजेर CIS.
ओके थँक्यू